sir.
How much?
What do you want, Mr. Ronaldo? Rolex?
Rolex,
Yeah,
of
this
course.
one is submarine. Submarine.
How much?
2,500 baht.
2,000 baht? This real Rolex? Real?
2,500 baht. I discount no problem. This one back. This one clean.
This real?
Real one.
Okay. Oh, what? Oh.
Software.
Oh. Wow, it's real. Just 2,000.
Yes.
I don't have now 2,000. I need to save. Next time.
This one.
What else you have? Rolex, what else?
Water no problem.
Huh?
Water no problem.
You have AP?
AP.
AP?
AP.
Oh, okay. You have AP? And how much AP?
AP.
How much AP? It's heavy.
AP. This one new. New model.
3, okay. It's expensive.
Discount no problem, brother. A discount no problem.
Yeah, but I don't, today I don't want to buy watch, you know. You have Jacob & Co? Jacob & Co? Jacob Co?
Singapore.
Singapore. Yeah.
How much you give me private? No problem. I for you. AP.
Yeah. Okay, next time I find you, I buy from you. Next time I come back, yeah? But you don't have Jacob & Co. I want Jacob & Co, you know?
Yes.
You don't have. But it's nice, very heavy. Check out the shirt. The shirt is nice too. Okay, thank you. Next time. Yo, we are in Thailand. We have to eat some pad thai. I ordered the one with shrimps. So let's see. Let's see what it tastes like. I've been here for 1 month and I haven't even eaten Pattaya even once. Wow, look at these shrimps, man. They're massive. The shrimps are really good, you know, because the sea is nearby. I think that's why. Bro, the shrimps are really good. And they're many too, you know. Usually they put like 3 or 4. Here they're like 4 or 5 massive ones. You put some lime on top. The best. Wow. Okay, which one Rolex?
This one Rolex.
This one? How much?
Can I show you?
No. Just how much? Tell me. Oh, it's cheap. Okay. Good price, yeah. This is real.
Good copy.
Good copy. Okay, good copy.
When you want this one special water, na? About that one, not that it. I show you. Number one, you know buy no problem.
You know, I want which one? I want Jacob the jeweler. Do you have the Jacob & Co?
Huh?
Do you have Jacob & Co watch? Jacob & Co.
Check.
Jacob & Co.
I know.
Do you have?
This one shop.
Jacob & Co brand. You have like this?
No,
No? I only want Jacob & Co. I'm sorry, bro.
I did for you.
No, I don't want Rolex. I want Jacob & Co.
I'm just say Rolex.
No, Rolex I don't like.
This one. This shot you.
Oh, okay. Richard Mille, man. It's Richard Mille.
That's right. Take our Formula One.
This one I don't know, but this one I know. How much this one? It's heavy. It's like real.
This one. Good copy, right?
7,000, yeah?
Good quality.
Okay. So he's showing me 7,000.
And this Formula One.
7,000? This is what? This is $2,000, yeah? 7,000 baht. $2,000.
Above.
This is expensive.
No, know, when you buy this super copy in the shop, about that much. For me, no shop. When you buy-
In real, how much?
No, not real. This shop, you know, this semi good copy. This one about. But shop have for it.
Yes.
Me no have for it.
Okay.
We can this that price.
Yes, I see. Yeah. But still, I want Jacob and Co. This is very good. I almost bought it, but Jacob and Co. You know, I really like Jacob and Co. only.
How much you can give me for discount? Look, only one last price. How much?
How much?
Yeah, you give me this last price.
Huh?
How much you give me for discount?
For discount?
Last price for you.
For me?
Yeah. How much?
How much?
Yeah, you give me.
No, I don't want. I only want Jacob and Co. Jacob Co. You know? Jacob the jeweler.
No have copy.
Jacob the jeweler.
No have copy. Only original.
So then I don't want, man. I just want Jacob.
Super copy.
Yeah. I know, but I don't like the Richard. I like Jacob. You know?
What's your copy?
Yeah, Jacob. Jacob, my bro.
No have copy. This I say Jacob. This big one, and this I say diesel. You know diesel.
Diesel?
Yeah, this one.
I don't know, man. I just want
Jacob?
Jacob. I just want Jacob. That's all I want.
Yeah, Jacob. Have too many colors inside. Have too many colors.
Yeah.
I know Jacob.
Jacob,
No
yeah.
have copy in Pattaya.
No copy.
No have copy.
Okay. Well, yeah, but I want a real one, you know. I need to save some money.
Wow, you say to me.
I need to save some money,
You
man.
say to me, Rolex, why?
Okay.
What you think, bro?
I just want Jacob, man. You know? I just want Jacob. And I want to eat my pad thai as well. I have to say, this watch are quite heavy. You know, they almost look real if you don't know anything about watches, like me. Then you could believe it's real. But oh, it's my sauce. You're taking away my sauce. She stole my sauce. Maybe it wasn't my sauce.